Hello, Nomad Sculpt, and this video is about quad split. It's a nice to know thing, and yeah, we need an example. So you see here a default low poly sphere, and when you look close, you see at the moment the wireframe is active and the wireframe is blue. So these are the blue lines. And you see here, when you look close, here is such a kink on the mesh. Here and here. You see it when you turn the smooth shading off. So when smooth shading is on, it's not visible. So, but yeah, you see it here. And also here is such a kink on the complete mesh. The problem is, this is the front view, and you see here, this is the right side and this is the left side. And on the right side, the direction is the same as on the left side. So you see here on this face a different shading than on this face. Okay, so let's switch to other thing here. This is a plane, only 4 vertices in the edges. And now I'm using the move tool, and on the left side at the moment symmetry is off, and I also use the normal function here. And when I move now this vertex, you see here is a quad split, and it's not in this direction at the moment. So when I use the other vertex, so you see here, it always stays in this direction. So it's not possible to get the quad split at the moment in this direction here. Okay. And yeah, the problem is you always think I'm sculpting symmetrical, but it's not real symmetrical. Here, for this cube, I create now a clone, and I move it to the side. Sorry, I checked the symmetry, it's local, it's okay. And no, we need an instance. Sorry, I have to do it again. Now. Okay, now I select this one and the move brush. And now I pick here maybe a few more. So, and let's compare it side by side. You see here, this is here the quad split on this side here. Sorry, I need here. And you see it, this is the same face here on the other side. And there's the quad split in the other direction, or in the same direction, but it's not symmetrical. So you need it in this direction. Okay. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So here, when you see it exactly here like this, then you can see the difference. So here, this one is in this, and this in this direction. And this is when you sculpt here with a mirror and use symmetry. So let's so you see here in this direction, and here in this direction. And how to fix it? The only way to fix it is use the mirroring and split mirror new topology. So when you press this one, now the mesh is left side is also the same as the right side from the quad split directions or orientation. So and I make it now visible. So when you use here in the MISC menu the decimation option and 100% and press decimate, so now, oops, now you see your mesh with triangles, and now you see the orientation of the quad splits. And you see here, it's always in the same direction here, like this. And this mesh here is mirrored, so it's different. Okay, this is everything I have to say about this topic. There's a option here. I'll show you. Here you find in the developer settings, or here you find here a flip quad split on tap option here. This checkbox. And now this face and this face, when I tap with my finger on it, you see here now it changes the direction. So you have to tap with a finger on the face, and then you can change it manually. So this is a flip quad split on tap option. Okay. So that's all. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.